everybody? Great second day in today's back and bicep. Yesterday was chest, shoulders and tricep. Yesterday was push, today's pull. And I've already had a push and pull. Right now you getting ready. I already ready. I just be ready. That's one thing I always on time. Today gonna be epic. But yeah, so let's go. You ready, boys? Bringing back the backpack aesthetics because since I hit in back today, and back is my favorite day, and I'm trying something new, I thought I would bring it back. But yeah, so about to go and hit back, bruh. Can't wait. I'm super excited right now. Right? Do you know what the seat over there is?
No, I really want to get some bad ideas in my head. I just... This has followed me my whole life. Everywhere. That's all, man. I really want to get some bad ideas in my head. I just...
Legs. Hey. Squat. Yeah, no.
Elbows like crazy, like squat.
Nah, I don't like to squat at all. Just got to the gym. Oh, to hit a DVS back day. Damn, versatile.
Younger brother who always keeps a cool head. It's alright. It'll be alright. It's too bad our home is burning down, but as long as we're together, we can start over. So no one's here? Good. They must have gotten away then.
Gale! There were signs of a struggle at the front door. It looks like somebody forced their way inside!
Then this was done on purpose? Wait, if somebody broke in, then that same person could have kidnapped them and taken them away. Oh no, I have to hurry and look for clues.
Close your eyes, Gale! Look away! Look away!
I've traveled. All you species are the same. You all think you're the same.
Elbows. Only the elbow. It's all in the elbow.
Just think about driving your elbows down.
Alright.
And squeeze on the bottom.
Driving the elbows down.
You have no idea.
What's it like the whole thing? I feel like I just feel like thinking.
Kid's gonna be the best kid in the world. This kid's gonna be somebody better than anybody ever knew. You grew up good and wonderful. It was great just watching you every day. It was like a privilege. When the time come for you to be your own man and take on the world, and you did. But somewhere along the line, you changed. You stopped being you. You let people stick a finger in your face and tell you you're no good. And when things got hard, you started looking for something to blame, like a big shadow.
Advertising has us chasing cars and clothes, working jobs we hate, so we buy shit we don't need. The middle children of history, man. No purpose and place. We have no Great War, no Great Depression. Our Great War is a spiritual war. Our Great Depression is our lives.
What was the biggest lie you were told?
It's not that simple.
Why not?
No, that's the biggest lie I was ever told. It's not that simple. And it's a lie they tell you over and over again.
What's not simple?
Any of it. All of it. It's how they get you to give up. They say it's not that simple, Vinny.
So what's the truth?
That it is.
Pull it to the side like that to get that squeeze in.
You want to touch right here? Feel that? Feel that?
Mind muscle connection.
And if you just do the thing that they tell you you can't, then it's done. And you realize it is that simple.
I killed them. I killed them all. They're dead. Every single.
Just like that. Yeah. Just make sure that.
And not just the men, but the women. And the children, too. They're like animals, and I slaughtered them like animals. I hate them.
Yeah, you don't have to go that much reps on that. We can do like 6 and be chilling.
Hey, Hachi. No matter how much or how often people hurt each other, loving someone is never a waste. That love letter you left for me back then, I still cherish it.
Looking back on it now, the way I felt about you, Nana, felt a lot like falling in love. Even though in many ways I was still a child, you helped me learn to fend for myself in the real world. With you, my life was full of sweet dreams, and it felt like the pure bliss of a first love.
If you don't want to talk about it, I understand.
It's okay.
So...
Emi Akazawa. That's my mother's name and all I really know about her. At least up until the end. Her dying, or how she died, proved she did love me in her own way. I can't judge her.
Hiya, legs.
wide out.
Yeah.
Raise up with your legs first and then only just pay attention to the man.
You have your arm like this, right? Go forward like this. Hold the finger grip.
Finger grip.
Whatever reason she had for keeping that knowledge to herself was buried in her past. She had just gotten married when my father walked into her life. From my mother, it was love at first sight.
Just like that, you start repping it.
Yujiro Hanma had found his prize. That was just the beginning. Not one to let a little competition stand in the way. Yujiro eliminated any reason my mother had to say no, and then simply took what he wanted.
You will bear me a son.
Most kids see their father every day. I had to fight just to meet mine. At my mother's insistence, the first 13 years of my life were spent in training. I went from one fight to another. So much for being the strongest man in the world. There wasn't supposed to be a rematch.
Alright, so Ini just went into the 7-Eleven to get some muscle milk. And we're just chilling here. The camera now die, but it come back to life. Because I brought it back to life. He has the muscle milk.
Sponsor us, please.
Hey, dog, the camera now come back to life, you know. And I'll take out the battery and put it back and it come back to life for a little bit. Watch. It's literally showing. It's dead, but it's on. Real mad, man, thing. But yeah.
Sponsor us, please.
Muscle milk, please.
Come up.
We begging you. Please. Everybody, please tag muscle milk. This is the best muscle milk out there. The best protein drink out there, to be honest. I ain't tried the chocolate flavor yet.
I'll be there.
But the vanilla,
you come,
the vanilla hitting, bro. And I don't come from the gym, so I'm going and chug this. But muscle milk, I would love a sponsor. It would make my day, you know. Quick sip, cause this camera about to die. I like the chocolate. 40 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 16 vitamins and minerals. They're real good. Now get out of the shower. But I will show you all the back pump because as soon as we was going and pose and the workout done and I opened the camera is literally dead, bro. And I just wanted to show all the lats because today was back day. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is leg day. Catch you guys tomorrow on leg day. Hope you all enjoy. God bless. Stay strong, stay happy, stay smiling. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.